Just the Facts is a cloud dashboard of dashboards that gives enterprise executives efficient access to the information they need to run their business. The first dashboard we've built for our private beta is targeted at the engineering executive, and we'll be rolling out other types of dashboards for additional job functions as we make progress. I'm now logged in as a user with several days worth of fact subscriptions, so I can show you how I use the dashboard on a day-to-day basis. And the first thing I'm worried about is whether there are any facts that are not on target. And I can see here that my number of open tickets at Zendesk has gone up higher than I'd like. So I can drill down directly into the originating Zendesk dashboard so that I can investigate what's going on and see exactly which tickets are open and why. Once I'm satisfied with Zendesk, I can then go through and look at some of my other facts based on the specific sources. So let's say that I want to next check out my application performance and make certain that my response time is acceptable. So I'll look at just my New Relic sources. Then maybe I want to check on the current status of my bugs. So I'll look at my GitHub bug tracking account and make sure that I don't have an unusually large number of open issues. Then for any one of these, I can drill in to the graph to see more details on what the historical values are, add comments to any of them, change the time range that I'm looking at, and even see what my comments have been from the past. Now the next feature I'd like to demonstrate is creating what we call a combined fact, which is a way to create additional metrics based on your existing facts. So in this case, let's say I'm looking at my Greenhopper facts, and I want to combine the started and not started facts in order to create a new fact, which is the work remaining for my current sprint. So I'll simply label it as work remaining, leave the check icon plus, and save this fact. And this is going to create a new calculated fact called work remaining. Once I have a combined fact created, I can select it along with the other facts that I've been looking at. So work remaining, started, not started, and done, and chart them together so I can see my overall sprint progress at a single glance. I can then save this chart so that I can easily bring it up later, and we'll call it sprint progress. Finally, I have the ability to share a dashboard with my coworkers. So I simply click the share icon, and I can enter their names and email addresses, and they'll be sent an email with a link to get a read-only view of the chart.